Yes, Mairang district has been announced, and Mairang will be the new district of our state. And because of COVID, the situation has been slightly slow. But to let the people of Mairang know and feel positive about it, that we will do our best to ensure that before Independence Day, the Mairang district is functional. That will be our endeavor.
Sir, what about this Cherrapunji then?
Sorry?
Sohra.
Sohra has been again an area of concern. There has been demands for it, but because of the geographical landscape and the areas of Peninsula and down and all these other areas that are across the valley, so the geographical, I should say, mapping is not coming to a point where we're able to really look at a consensus. So all those issues are being discussed, and we will see how to move forward. But if you remember my speech when I gave in Mairang, I think it was the 31st of March 2021. So when I gave the speech that day, I mentioned that Mairang is at the bottom in terms of the sustainable development goals. And the main purpose of doing this really is to push the life standards of the people in Mairang and other parts of West Khasi Hills. And therefore, the need was very justified. So therefore, we decided and announced that we will go. And as I said, that our endeavor will be that we make Mairang district functional before the 15th of August 2021, before this Independence Day. We'll make Mairang district functional.
But don't you think that it will open up a Pandora box of demands? Because
everything has got plus and everything has got minus. Now, if you look at all this kind of plus and minus, I don't think we'll be able to take a decision. So from the government's point of view, from the leadership point of view, decision making is the most critical part for us. So we have to weigh in all the options. And as I said, that when we look at the size of West Khasi Hills district, when we look at the economic standard of the people in West Khasi Hills, when we look at the sustainable development goals in West Khasi Hills has been neglected a lot. And to bring development and to raise the livelihood of the people in West Khasi Hills, which I've been speaking for a very, very long time, it's not just I say it now. The only way to do it is to bring the administration closer to the people. And this has been a demand of the people of Mairang area and the adjoining constituencies, and therefore it's a very genuine demand. Yes, you're right that there will be plus and minus, but then if we keep looking at that, then we won't be able to move forward. So we will see as and when we find that yes, there's a genuine demand and there's a need to open up. We've always been for taking administration closer to the people, and this is a very justified demand.
What about Garovins?
We will examine. The Honorable Minister for Power had met me a couple of times and demanded for a district in Dading, because again West Garo Hills is again a very huge district. So we are examining those aspects also. So but Power Minister has been very clear that Dading should be given a district, but the government has not taken any decision yet on that.
Before election, we can expect a few more districts.
Let us see. If the time comes, we will see. But as I said, as of now, we are going as per the need. As I said, it's not always election oriented. Sometimes we need to do things because it's required. And that's why we felt that Mairang was required. So we don't have to wait till elections come and then do it. Just because we need to look at votes and all these things and we do it last moment, I feel it's not always correct. So we feel that we could have also delayed things. We could have also announced it later on. But then government has to do what it has to do. And therefore we decided we'll go ahead with it.